So what are some of the beginner mistakes that you can make while investing on Robinhood? Now, if you don't know, then basically if you're a beginner using Robinhood or any of the other platforms such as investment platforms, it's essential to be mindful of potential mistakes that could negatively impact your financial journey. And here are some of the common Robinhood beginner mistakes that you might want to avoid. Number one is basically not doing proper research, because jumping into investments without researching the companies or assets you're buying can be risky. The other is ignoring diversification, because putting all your money into a single stock or asset class can be very dangerous. The other is overtrading, because frequent buying and selling of stocks, day trading, can lead to high transaction fees and potential lower overall returns. The other could be ignoring fees and expenses, because while Robinhood is known for commission fee trading, other expenses like account maintenance fees and margin interest may still apply. So understand the costs associated with the investment activities. The other is chasing hype and FOMO. Now, investing based on hype or fear or missing out, which is FOMO, can lead to impulsive decisions. So avoid making emotional investment choices and stick to a well thought out strategy. The other is simply using margin without understanding the risk, which in margin trading can amplify both gains and losses. If you don't fully grasp how margin works, it's better to avoid it until you're more experienced. The other is ignoring tax implications, because investment gains are generally taxable. You have to be aware of the tax consequences of your trade and consider tax efficient investment strategies. Number 8 is the lack of patience, because investing is a long-term endeavor, and avoid constantly checking your portfolio and panicking over short-term market fluctuations. Stay focused on your long-term goals and not having an exit strategy, borrowing money for investments, neglecting an emergency fund, and not learning from mistakes. These are some of the mistakes that you want to avoid as a beginner while investing in Robinhood. So also always remember that investing involves inherent risk, and no strategy can also guarantee profits. Consider educating yourself on investment principles, staying disciplined, and seeking advice from financial professors if needed. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in the next video.